Good morning, I'm Gemma Bruce, Client Portfolio Manager on npower's Optimisation Desk. Welcome to today's market update, Friday the 14th of August. So a few key things to note this morning. We've seen activity on the seasonal contracts for both power and gas be slow to get going this morning, while the near curve is trading roughly flat to a touch higher than last night's close. The gas system has opened balanced this morning as a result of lower exports to the continent and also lower storage injection nominations, and oil prices continue to trade below $50 per barrel. So if you have any questions, please contact us on the displayed email, or for more detailed information, continue to watch. So lower exports to the continent and a reduction in storage injection nominations has seen the gas system open roughly balanced this morning. Lang-lead flows are also a touch lower today, currently nominated at 30 MCM, and this is potentially as a result of flows being diverted to the continent, while BBR flows continue to be at zero as they have been in recent weeks. LNG send-out remains stable, today nominated at 31 MCM from South Hook. There are expectations that this should pick up into next week, with 3 cargoes due to arrive in the UK and a further 3 cargoes potentially heading to the UK, although their final destination is yet to be confirmed. There are a number of outages scheduled for the end of August, which may result in some changes to flows received into the UK, with Colsness maintenance due to begin on the 17th of August, which could see Lang-lead flows down towards the 20 MCM per day level. However, towards the end of the month there are also planned maintenance on a German pipeline, and therefore we could see Norwegian flows diverted to the UK as a result. On the power side of things, there's been very little change to the makeup of the generation mix today, with imports from the continent continuing to be at full capacity in the direction of the UK. Gas-fired generation dominating the stack, followed by nuclear and coal generation on par, with very poor feed-in from wind generation. Forecasts for wind were today expected to peak close to 3 gigs. However, current output is falling massively below this at just 300 megawatts, and as a result we've seen increased gas-fired generation online and a peak forecast today of 10 gigs despite it being a Friday. So as a result of very little change to the fundamental mix, we've seen the near curve trading roughly flat to last night's close, as say, with the activity on the seasons slow to get going for both power and gas today. And on the currency side of things, the pound continues to be weaker against the euro, week on week, down 0.87% this week, although it's still relatively strong compared to where it has been in recent years. So that completes my market update for today. We'll see you at the same time again on Monday, and have a great weekend.